Yo, what's up everybody, V-Dub here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cordless stick vacuums. These aren't your grandma's vacuums, we're talking cutting-edge tech, sleek designs and enough power to make your floors spotless. Over the past few weeks we've been putting a ton of vacuums through their paces, testing battery life, suction power, and even how well they handle pet hair. We'll be breaking down the top 5 best options available right now, weighing the pros and cons, best use cases, and of course, talking about how much these bad boys will cost you. Be sure to check the description below for links to all these vacuums. Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a vacuum that needs no introduction, the Dyson V15 Detect. This is the one you've seen all over the internet, the one with the laser. And let me tell you, that laser isn't just a gimmick. This thing actually works. It illuminates all the dust and dirt you usually miss, making you realize just how much cleaning you haven't been doing. But the V15 Detect is more than just a fancy laser show. It boasts some of the most powerful suction you'll find in a cordless vacuum, making quick work of everything from fine dust to larger debris. You can really feel the difference when you're using it, especially on carpets. Now, all this tech doesn't come cheap. The V15 Detect sits at the higher end of the price spectrum, but if you're serious about clean floors and you want the latest and greatest, this is the vacuum for you. Next up, we have the TCO Pure 1S11. Now, if the V15 Detect is the tech enthusiast's dream vacuum, the S11 is the more practical, everyday choice. It still packs a punch with its smart sensor technology, which automatically adjusts suction power based on the amount of dirt it detects. This means you get optimal cleaning performance without having to worry about manually switching modes. And speaking of performance, the S11 delivers consistently great results, especially on hard floors. One of the standout features of the S11 is its impressive battery life. You can easily clean your entire home on a single charge, and the battery is even detachable for easy swapping if you need even more runtime. The best part? The TCO Pure 1S11 comes in at a much more approachable price point compared to the Dyson. It's a great option for those who want a balance of performance, features, and affordability. Chapter 3. Shark Power Detect. Unleashing the beast for deep cleaning. Now let's talk about the Shark Power Detect. This vacuum is a beast when it comes to raw cleaning power. It's got this dual brush roll system that's specifically designed to tackle even the most stubborn dirt and debris embedded in your carpets. And trust me, it lives up to the hype. I put this thing to the test on some seriously dirty carpets, and it just powered through everything. Pet hair, crumbs, you name it, the Power Detect made it disappear. It's also got some serious suction power, maybe even a bit more than the Dyson, especially in its highest setting. However, all that power comes at a cost. The Power Detect is a bit on the bulkier side compared to the other vacuums on this list. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you have a smaller home or you're looking for something super lightweight. If you need a vacuum that can handle deep cleaning and you don't mind a bit of extra weight, the Shark Vertex Pro is a solid choice. Chapter 4. LG Cord Zero A9, the marathon runner of cordless vacuums. Moving on, we have the LG Cord Zero A9. This vacuum is all about convenience and ease of use. It's got this really sleek and lightweight design that makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces. But the real star of the show here is the interchangeable battery system. The A9 comes with 2 batteries right out of the box, and each battery provides a really solid runtime on its own. But when you need to clean for extended periods, you can simply swap in a fresh battery and keep going. This is a game changer for larger homes or if you just hate having to stop and recharge in the middle of cleaning. Performance-wise, the A9 holds its own. It's not quite as powerful as the Dyson or the Shark, but it still gets the job done on most types of messes. And with its moderate price point and impressive battery life, the LG Cord Zero A9 is definitely worth considering. Chapter 5. Samsung Jet 90, the ultimate cleaning machine for every home. Last but not least, we have the Samsung Jet 90. As the name suggests, this vacuum is designed to be the ultimate cleaning machine for every home. It's got this advanced brush roll that's amazing at picking up all kinds of debris without getting clogged. And trust me, I've tested a lot of vacuums that claim to be clog-free, but the Samsung Jet 90 actually delivers. It's also incredibly powerful for its price point. It doesn't have the same raw suction power as some of the other high-end vacuums on this list, but it's more than enough to handle dust, dirt, and other everyday messes. But the best part about the Samsung Jet 90? It's incredibly versatile. In fact, it's one of the most versatile cordless stick vacuums on the market right now. So if you're looking for a top-notch vacuum that can handle any cleaning task, the Samsung Jet 90 is an excellent option. Outroad, that's a wrap. Which cordless vacuum will you choose? So there you have it, guys. Our top 5 picks for the best cordless stick vacuums you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a clean freak, or just looking for a reliable way to keep your home free of dust bunnies, there's a vacuum on this list for everyone. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and top product lists. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which cordless vacuum you're most interested in and why. Until next time, keep it clean.